So excited to share. Ready, Set, Real Estate presents the new live webinar series, launching third Saturday of each month. The schedule is up on Eventbrite for the entire year. So join me on March 16th, 1 p.m. Pacific Time, 4 p.m. Eastern, for our next topic, repair negotiations, seller and buyer credits. Learn what credits are and how to reduce your out-of-pocket cost on repairs, down payment, closing costs, and interest rates. Register at readysetrealestatewebinars.eventbrite.com. Again, that's readysetrealestatewebinars.eventbrite.com. Use promo code podcast to save $5 off registration. Space is limited. I'll see you on the other side.